Sometimes the viral infection leaves its residual impact in the form of chronic bronchitis. You can use ginger tea to treat chronic bronchitis, particularly felt after a simple spell of common cold or flu. Active or passive smoking and polluted working environments also can cause chronic bronchitis. Such cases of bronchitis can also get relief from ginger. And the best part is, home remedies like ginger are safe and effective. Increased awareness of side effects of Western medicines has pushed people to go for alternate medicine for such non-life-threatening conditions. So if you are suffering from chronic bronchitis, try ginger. Ginger is now used in formulations of many medicines also. It has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Most of the health benefits of ginger come from a bioactive compound called gingerol. Ginger is beneficial in so many ways that you can call it the elixir of life. But here we will focus on treating chronic bronchitis. Best and quickest way to use ginger for treating bronchitis is to drink ginger tea 2 to 3 times daily. Making the ginger tea is simple. Grate about an inch of ginger and add it to 2 cups of water in a heating pot. Put the water to boil and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Put off the heat and let it cool for some time. Strain and remove ginger pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and mix it well. Drink and enjoy the tea. You can also add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice if you prefer. Both honey and lemon are antiviral and also help to clear mucus. Dried ginger powder is another convenient way to use for cough and bronchitis. Take half teaspoon of ginger powder and mix it with 1 teaspoon of home to make a thick paste. Keep it in your mouth and let it melt slowly to go down your throat. Remember, ginger is a blood thinner, it may interact with some of your medications. So, check with your doctor. Bottom line is ginger tea is good for getting rid of cough and bronchitis. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.